Best AI tools for content marketing app. The pros, the cons. Best AI tools for content marketing app is designed to help marketers create high-quality content faster and more effectively. Most people get this wrong by thinking content marketing is purely creative work, but here's the surprising truth. I can enhance creativity, streamline production, and improve audience targeting. A major pro of this app is AI-assisted content generation. You can draft blog posts, social media updates, newsletters, and add copy in minutes, while the AI suggests headlines, keywords, and style adjustments for better engagement. For example, a marketer can generate multiple versions of a social media post tailored for different audiences instantly. Another advantage is workflow integration. The app connects with content management systems, email marketing platforms, and social scheduling tools, allowing seamless publishing and tracking. You won't believe how much time this saves compared to manual content creation. The app also offers performance analytics, showing which content performs best and suggesting optimizations based on engagement metrics. This ensures marketing efforts are data-driven and effective. On the downside, AI-generated content may occasionally lack nuance or require human editing to match brand voice. Some advanced features also come with subscription costs. In conclusion, Best AI Tools for Content Marketing app is ideal for marketers and content creators looking to boost productivity and impact. By combining AI-driven content generation, seamless integration, and analytics, it enables faster creation, smarter strategy, and more consistent engagement. This app is a powerful tool for anyone serious about modern content marketing.